The first presenter is Mariam Hussaini, and her title of her talk is Where is the Matter?
Where is the matter? 30% of the matter in the universe is missing. I'm not talking about anything exotic like dark matter. I'm talking about stuff that you and I are made of and everything that's around us. We know from theoretical computations how much matter there should be in the universe, but when we add up everything that we can see, like stars and galaxies, we're a third short. So where is this missing matter? I've been looking for it. You know, space is empty. Space is a vacuum, but is not completely empty. In a space about the size of the room that we're in right now, there's about one atom, but there's a lot of space, so that adds up. The problem is, it's dark in space. We can't see those atoms. How are we gonna count the matter that we can't see? I use fast radio bursts, FRBs, as cosmic flashlights that shine between the dark spaces between galaxies and light up those atoms. Fast radio bursts are short, energetic radio signals coming from distances far, far away and from everywhere in the universe. I know what you're thinking, aliens, but no. The signal is far too energetic to be aliens. It's a natural phenomenon, just trust me on that. As fast radio bursts pass through matter, just like a person running through a crowd, they're slowed down. The more the signal passes through matter, the more it's slowed down. We can measure how much the signal is delayed. So therefore, we can tell how much matter it went through. On its way to us, the FRB passes through other galaxies, and it passes through a lot of void, areas between galaxies where there seems to be nothing. But when we measure the delay of the signal of FRBs that went through galaxies on their way to us, we see a little bit more delay than FRBs that did not pass through galaxies. That's to be expected. Galaxies are full of stars and gas, and the FRB signal passes through more material. But that is not our main finding. Our biggest and main finding is that there is a lot more matter between galaxies than we had initially expected. We can tell that because when we look at the signal of FRBs that went only through void, empty parts in space that look like there's nothing there, and not galaxies, we see that there is a lot more matter there than we were expecting. Initially, we thought 40% of the matter is between galaxies, but my research is finding that that number is actually closer to 70%. For those keeping count, 70 minus 40 is 30%, that's your 1/3. So, where is the missing matter? It's everywhere, it's here, it's there, it's in this room, but for the most part, it's in the space between galaxies. Thank you so much.